Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. And when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. All some people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So if you guys are having a nice day so far, mine is going well. So we are back with another of the pick a shade collab that the beautiful Amethyst Winters started. This time though, it's extra fun because she's added 2 more members. So she originally, it was obviously Jennifer Miller, who's Amethyst Winters, Desi from Desi's Corner, Andy from Beauty with Andy, and Naomi from Beauty Dreams by Naomi, and then obviously myself. And then now we're having she added Lisa from Banning, Panning, and Beyond, and Andrea from Pretty as a Peacock. So it's really exciting because now instead of 5, it's 7 colors we have to try and pick in. But now we have allowed it for, you don't have to just put them on your eyes. You just have to get the 7 colors on your face, because I mean 7 colors on your eyes is a lot. I mean, you definitely can do it, but just to make it easier, because especially because we're all randomly picking a shade. Like, we're not just being like, oh, we're gonna do like a smoky eye look, so pick colors that go with a smoky eye. We're just randomly picking colors that we decide we want to use. So it's stuff that does not go together, so it's a little hard. So without further ado, let's get into creating an eye look with all the colors that everyone has chosen. So for starters, I just wanted to let you know that Desi chose the color Coral. So I went into my Ace Beaute Grandiose palette right here, and I picked the color Clove right there as my color for Coral, because that definitely reminded me of a coral. And I actually used it as my blush today. So that's color 1 down. So I just prime my eyes with my P. Louise base. So for the first color I'm going to put on my eyes, I'm actually going to go with the color that I picked. And I actually picked the color Slate Gray. And I was thinking of the color Slate Gray, I thought of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette, and it has this color Slate in it. So that's the one I'm going to use. And I'm just gonna put the slate in my crease and socket area and just go back and forth in a windshield wiper motion, just blending it out. I love Slate Gray. I think it's such a pretty gray because it's like a nice deep color, but it's also, I feel, pretty versatile. And a nice like slate gray eyeshadow is just so pretty. I don't have as many as like I would like. I definitely need to get some more slate grays in my collection. So now I'm going to jump into Amethyst Winters color, and she actually picked the color Cinnamon, and in my Ace Beaute Grandiose palette there's actually a color called Cinnamon, so I'm going to use that color. And I'm just going to put that in the lower part of my crease. And I'm gonna bring it up a little bit, but I'm gonna blend it in with the slate. This is such a fun challenge to do, and the ladies that are a part of this challenge are really awesome. And Andrea and Lisa, who are the new additions, are amazing as well. I've just recently gotten to know them, and I'm really glad that I am, because they're really cool people. I knew Lisa before I knew Andrea, because I knew Lisa from the Mask Monday Ladies. So I'd seen a few of her videos before, and then Andrea I met when she was added to this collab. and she's fabulous. So it's what's so great about this YouTube community is you get to meet so many cool people who are so like interested in the same products as you are, or not products, the same things as you are. In the title of the video, and of course in the description, is the tag select a shade. If you click on that tag, that'll actually bring up everyone's videos. So if you want to watch everyone's videos, which please do, because everyone's going to be doing their own interpretations of the looks and they're all awesome, so you definitely want to give them support. Click on that link, on that hashtag, and you'll be able to watch everyone's videos with ease rather than having to like type in everyone's name. So Andrea from Pretty as a Peacock picked the color Mint Green. So I'm actually going to go into a new palette that I got. It's the new Mini Melt palette from E.L.F. It's the Mint to Be palette. Just like it I know I have the Colourpop Mint to Be one, but this one was just so adorable. And I was buying other stuff from E.L.F. anyway. And I'd been wanting to try their little 4-pan palettes for a while. And I, for some reason, like never ordered them or even bought them. Like they have them at Walmart. I don't know. So I figured I would try this one. And I also picked, almost dropped my mirror, which would have been devastating because this mirror is not made anymore. So I'm just going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to go into the matte mint green right here. And I'm going to put that up in my brow bone area. And what's fun about this challenge too is it really gets you to like use a whole bunch of different palettes that you haven't used in a while, because you have to find the colors or colors that, you know, like the ones they suggest in your own collection. So it definitely gets you out there using a bunch of different things, which is amazing. I feel like that didn't make any sense what I said, so you can just be like, whatever, Colleen, that's okay. And then with my finger, I'm going to go into the lighter satin metallic in here, which is like a mint green, and I'm going to put that in over the matte color just to give it a little bit more of a shine. So like that. And then I'm just taking the brush that I had slate on and I'm just going over where they meet just to kind of blend them out more. So now I am just going to cut my crease, which I am not very good at. Practice makes perfect, which I've been saying for like the last like 2 years. But you know. So I feel like my breathing is really off in this video. So if like you can hear it, like if it's picking up a microphone, I really apologize. I don't know what is going on. I mean, I'm a little congested, so I don't know. And then Lisa picked the color Grape Purple, and there's no better grape purple in my opinion than the color Purrrple from Lele Posh, which is this one right here. It's so amazing, and it looks like this. So I am actually going to pop that right over the cut crease. I mean, to me, this is like a grape purple. It's so pretty too. And I like about this is like, it can be super intense, but like I feel like I've lightened it up a little bit with the cut crease, so it's not like as crazy. I think I did another video. I'll link it in the card. I think I did a Glamour in Pajamas where I used this color and it was like really intense. Like I really used it to its full capacity. So I'll link that, like I said. And then I do want to take the brush that I had cinnamon on and I just want to go over where it meets purple. So like that. So on my waterline, I just went in with Urban Decay's 24/7 gel liner in the color Mainline. But the next color that was picked was from Naomi, and she picked the color Sky Blue. So I'm going to go into my other new purchase, which is another little quad palette from E.L.F. It is the Acai U palette, and I'm going to go into this blue right here. This is actually the first time I'm using this one as well, so I'm really excited. I've only heard like really good things about these palettes, so yeah, that's going in nice and soft on my lower lash line. And then the final color that was picked was from Andy from Beauty with Andy, and she picked like a duochrome white pink shift. So I am actually going to go into a color from a brand that unfortunately is no longer around, but this is called Specter, and it's a really cool duochrome white pink shift. And I'm going to put that in my, actually I'll swatch it right here. You can see it right there. Oh, it's so cool. And I'm actually going to place that color in my inner corner to give it that extra pop. But there's colors like this. I know Davina has some. I know Tara Moons has some. I know Beauty Bar Baby has some. There's so many brands that have similar color shifts to this. So I probably have this a few times actually over. But I just wanted to use this one because I hadn't used it in a while. So like that. So this is my finished look. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. I think it was a lot of fun. I was actually a little nervous about these colors because I really wasn't sure how I was gonna get all of them together, but I'm happy with how I was able to put them together. I think definitely using the coral as my blush definitely helped, because otherwise I wasn't sure where I was gonna put it. I might have done like a coral and a blue and the purple on my eyes. I'm not sure, but I actually really like it as my blush. There's tends to be kind of the colors that I wear anyway as my blush, so it worked out perfectly. So please remember to check out the other ladies who participated in this collab because they are so awesome, and I know I am looking forward to seeing all of their looks because this is going to be a lot of fun because I love how everyone interprets things so differently. Remember, just click on the tag and then I'll bring everyone's videos up. So anyway, my Celestial Cupcakes, that is it for this video. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. I get it. I am not one of the cool kids, but that's okay. I still thank you for stopping by and spending this minute with me. I really appreciate it. I will still send you tons of happy thoughts, some positive vibes your way just for stopping by, so thank you. As always, I will have everything that I'm wearing on my face as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles listed below in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I did not film as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable. But of course, we're all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!